Hi, I'm Miss Petruska, and you are at Pinchbeck Elementary. This is my wonderful kindergarten class, and we're doing a lesson about shapes. All right, boys and girls, are you ready to review all 4 of our shapes before we get started and dive into squares?
Yeah.
All right, do you think we can do our songs?
Yeah.
Are you ready? All right, what color should I pick? Asana?
Pink.
Pink. We're going to do pink first. Are you ready? Are you ready for my first song?
Yeah.
Around and around and around I go, around I go, around I go, around and around and around I go. I am a
Circle.
Good job. We are a circle. Let's do, Nora, pick a color.
Teal.
Teal. And I think I'm going to go a little thicker with this one. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All 4 sides are just the same. Just the same, just the same. All 4 sides are just the same. I am a square. Good job. All right, Micah, pick a color.
Green.
Green. Are you ready for this next one?
Triangle.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay. I have 3 sides and 3 corners. 3 corners. 3 corners. I have 3 sides and 3 corners. I am a
Triangle.
good. And Clay, last color.
Oh.
It's okay. I'll let
Black.
you pick later. Black. Okay. You ready for this one? 2 sides long and 2 sides short. 2 sides short. 2 sides short. 2 sides long and 2 sides short. I am a
Rectangle.
Oh, great job. But today I'm going to erase the triangle. I'm going to erase the circle. And then I'm going to erase that rectangle because today we are just talking about the what?
Square.
The square. Let me make it a little bigger so we can talk. Oh, I'm coloring all over with my jacket. There we go. Clean slate. Are you ready for my square? I'm going to make it a little bigger. Remember?
Yay.
All right, so there's my square. What do you notice about the square? Simran, beautiful, quiet hand. What do you notice?
It has that side and that side and that side and that side.
That's right. Did you hear her? Let's count those sides. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. Kiss your brain, Simran. Bless you. What else do we notice about our square, Clay?
All of us, one side on that side.
They're just the same. They're the same length. If 2 sides were different, what shape would that be?
Triangle.
Not a triangle.
Rectangle.
A rectangle. So you really have to be detectives and really figure out if it's a square or a rectangle. Sydney, tell me what you notice.
It has 4 pointy things.
4 pointy things. Those are our corners, our vertices. That's right. So let me grab a different color and let's circle them. Will you count why I circle? 1.
2, 3, 4.
That's right. 4 sides, 4 corners. Very nice. All right, and what do we know that's a shape of a square? Who can think of a square that they've seen? Yes, Lena.
Triangle.
What about a triangle?
At 3 sides.
Kiss your brain. So they all have, those 2 both have sides, but they have different numbers. Triangle has 3 and our square has 4. Great job, my love. Who can tell me something that's a square? Oh, looking for quiet Camille.
Your pillow.
Is she right? Give her a thumbs up if she's right. Great job, Camille. This has 4 sides, and they're all the same. Now, question, would this book be a square?
No.
No, because why?
Rectangle.
How do you know?
Because it has 3 sides.
It has 3 sides. It has 4 sides, so that's the same.
And these sides are long, not the same size as this.
That's right. Who can think of something at home that's a square? It wouldn't be in the classroom, but something at home that's
I
a
know.
square. Looking for a quiet hand sitting so nicely. Clay,
I bet.
your desk at home is a square? That's a great connection. Who can think of something else? Anna.
My book.
Your book at home is the shape of a square? Great job. All right, wiggle your hands real quick to the person next to you. Whisper something that you know is a square so everyone has a turn. Find someone, Join. Come over, Anna, come join them. Amaris, come join them. Come join Rosie. Can you share what's something that's a square? Good job. Do you have something in our home that's a square? Amaris, do you have something that's a square at home? What? Your computer. Let's think of one. Is your kitchen table a square? No. Do you have toys that are squares? What? Do you think we should make a square and bring it to your house so you have something that's square? All right, deal. High five. We'll do it during stations. Deal? Deal. Okay. Peanut butter.
Jelly jam.
I hope everyone shared. It's time for us to make squares, okay? Len, I'll come to you in 1 second. So you are going to tiptoe to your desk so I can give you your bends, okay? So nice, friends. All right, everyone's going to get a bend. Make sure there's nothing else on your end. Don't touch yet. Don't touch yet. I'm coming. You guys are so excited, and that makes me excited. Hands on your head. Hands on your shoulders. Make sure nothing's in your hands. Let me see. All right, we are only going to use our toothpicks and our marshmallows. Are we going to eat our marshmallows?
No.
Are we going to put them in our mouth?
No.
No, that's right. We are going to build. Are we going to have a marshmallow snack later today? Yes. But not with these marshmallows. Can you say, I promise?
I promise.
All right. Are we going to be careful with our toothpicks? Yes. So what we're going to do is, what do you think the toothpicks are going to be in our square?
Marshmallows.
We're going to use marshmallow, but what part of a square is going to be? The lines. What are the lines called? Everybody freeze. Eyes on me. I know you're excited, but let's get through our directions first, okay? All right, what is going to be the toothpicks? The toothpicks are going to be this side. Oh, not yet. Not yet. Are you ready? I see that Asanat's ready. I see that Rosie's ready. Our toothpicks are going to be the sides of our square. How many sides does a square have?
4.
4. Can you show me with your fingers? 4. Beautiful. How many vertices or corners do we have? 4. So that's going to be our marshmallows. The marshmallows are going to be our vertices or the corners, and those toothpicks are going to be our sides. Everyone is going to get 4 marshmallows and 4 toothpicks. Are we going to take turns taking them out?
Yeah.
Everyone gets 4, so you don't have to worry. There's plenty of supplies. Now, one more thing before you get started. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look at me. Hey, it's okay. There is Play-Doh in your tubs. Are we going to touch Play-Doh? No. That's for afterwards. Are you ready? All right, show me how you quietly get 4, and we're going to take turns. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go, guys. Start building. Once you have it, I want to see what you can make. Are you passing out? Do you need help? Here, can I help pass out? There you go, bud. Oh, here, let's get you one that's not so squishy. Here, wait, do you have all of yours right now? Or just one? There's 2 more. So remember, there's 1. All right, you need 4 of these, though. Ready? Watch this.
The marshmallow.
All right, but can you use the toothpicks? Look at Simran's. I want to see what you can do. Simran is building like this. She's connecting them. Some of you are taking those toothpicks and building them. No way it's wrong. I want to see what you do, okay? Great job, friends. Working so nicely. Great job, my love. Now, once you do it and I check it, you're going to get a Play-Doh and you can build your own squares with the Play-Dohs. Great job. Leave your squares with your Simran, great job, my love. It's beautiful. Put it by your name tag and grab some Play-Doh and start building. Wonderful job. You guys are rock stars. Wow. Tell me about the sides. How many sides do you see?
4.
4. How many corners?
4.
4. Look at you guys making it. Great job. Can I see? Oh, goodness. Very nice. Hey, how many vertices? How many marshmallows?
4.
4. How many sides?
like
4.
that.
Can you put it by your name tag? Rosie, that's wonderful. Great job, guys.
I'm done.
Oh, I want to see. Great job, friends. How are you making a square with your Play-Doh? Oh, you're using your finger to trace? That's a great idea. Can I help you with your vertices, my love? All right, we're going to pull it down because remember, the corners are on the ends, okay? And we're going to stick here. Now, we need one more here. Can you grab a marshmallow and build? And then we need one more toothpick. Here you go. Great job, Sydney. That looks awesome. Oh, I love how Lana's rolling the Play-Doh to make her squares. Good job.
I can't do a squarey with this.
Hey, Nora, can you help your friend? There's different ways you can do it. Oh, look, it looks, so that is actually, can I see that? That's actually called a cube. Can you say cube? And you see at the face of a square, but it really has multiple faces because it's 3D. Isn't that cool? Yeah, can you make me a square and not a cube? Great job, friends. You guys are working really nice together. Do you guys think you deserve a kindness ornament?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you?
I like this one.
You me too. That's lovely. Show me the sides. Good. Good. Show me another. Good. Show me another. Now show me the vertices. The corners. Good job. Very nice, friends. Now, did anyone think of any more squares in our classroom or at home that we didn't think of? Oh, I love Lana's quiet hand. Yes, my love? Did you think of any squares in the classroom or at home? Yeah, go check in 1 second, okay. Do you want to keep thinking? All right, keep thinking. I'll come back to you. Did anyone? Sydney.
Clay's name tag.
Clay's name tag's in the shape of a square. Wonderful job. Yes, Amaris. Your name tag's in the shape of a square. Lovely. Anyone else? Camille?
Buckets are the shape of a square.
Our buckets are in the shape. Our cuppies are the face of them. But if I turned it the long ways, are you ready to see long ways? Is that a square?
No.
No, what shape is that? A rectangle. Good job, friend.
At the same time, it's a square and a rectangle.
Alrighty, has everyone... All right, can everyone show me how you clean up so nicely? Oh, I can help you real quick. Beautiful, Anna. Thank you for joining us today at Pinchbeck Elementary. You became part of our classroom family and learned about shapes with us, and we were so excited that you were able to watch. We are Pinchbeck. We are Rays. We get our shine on today.